Welcome to Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to delete Messenger story on iPhone. For that, firstly make sure you get your Messenger application and you're logged into your account. Now here you can see I am already in my Messenger application. Now there are two ways to delete your stories. Firstly is to simply tap on your profile icon at the top left. And here you can see the story that you have uploaded. And there at the top right you can see three dot icon. You can simply tap on that. And here two options will be provided, delete or save. You can simply tap on delete and your story will be deleted. Another way is to go back and at the bottom side you can see option of stories. You can tap on that. And here you can see the stories that you have added. Now simply tap on it. And at the top right you can see three dot icon, tap on that. Now simply tap on delete. And now you can see that the story has been deleted. And this is how easily you can delete Messenger story on iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Login Aid. Thank you.